Okay guys, this is something I have been waiting for the past few days. Let's see. Let me open it up and show you what I got in the mail today. Okay, there we go. You know what this is? This is called the orange pie. Okay, and let's see what is inside here. Okay, it says orange pie, but I ordered for a +2. They just wrote +2 here. I hope that's the right one. Let's see. Let's open it up. Okay, there you go. Okay, it's come with a charging cable. Okay, that I can attach to any of those chargers. And in a nice package, we've got this. Let's cut the packet open. Let's see what's inside. Okay, let me close this before it does damage. Okay, open that up. Wow, that looks nice. Okay, so apart from that, I've got what's this? Okay, something to do with regulatory and compliance and safety information. Okay, I hope I've got the right one. I trust I've got the right one. It says +2 right here. Okay, it says +2 that there. And now I think I'll close this video, and more to come. See you in the next one.